Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the language in Google Maps. It's a straightforward process that allows you to personalize your navigation experience. Whether you are using a computer or a mobile device, you can easily switch to your preferred language. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to make Google Maps work best for you. Changing the language on your computer is quite simple. First, open Google Maps in your web browser. Then, locate and click the three-line menu icon, often called the hamburger menu, in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Language. A list of available languages will pop up. Just pick the one you prefer, and the map will reload. For mobile users, open the Google Maps app on your smartphone. Tap your profile picture, located in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, navigate to Settings, then find and tap App Language. A list of languages will appear. Simply choose your desired one. The app will then restart, displaying all information in your newly selected language. Keep in mind a few important tips for language settings. Sometimes, a full device restart might be needed for changes to take complete effect. For iOS devices, the app language often mirrors your phone's primary language, though a specific app setting might exist. If you encounter any display issues, try clearing the app's cache. Also, remember that navigation voice language can be adjusted independently within the settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.